¿Y cuánto sale? Es donde dice, ¿no? Perfecto. Ok, vamos pues.
I'm back. Isn't my hair cute?
Dropping stuff in your hair.
Oh.
Yeah, you have stuff in your hair now.
Hey, what are you doing up there?
Playing with your bow.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Victoria, no.
Messing with it. Messing with your hair now.
Fly. Where'd she go?
She's on top of you. She's trying to mess with your hair.
That's my bracelet.